Homecoming 2011, Langston University, the best university in the state of Oklahoma, and even one of the best universities in the country.
We got cheated. The Alphas won the step show, and the Sigmas didn't. You can put that on Facebook. You know, I think it was a very close show. The Alphas had a great show. Sigmas had a great show. I think it just came down to the judges. I mean, it could have went either way, but of course, I support my brothers.
Biased opinion. Biased.
Good so far. I'm mad about that loss yesterday, but
what's your assessment of that?
The boys did their best. Put it like that. In my eyes, they won, but
okay. We'll get some more. Hey, Arlen, cry for the camera.
Where's your mommy? Say mommy.
Nah.
Where you at now? Tell the folks where you at.
I'm in Kansas City, man. Kansas City, Kansas. How you doing? Alumni of 2009. Member of Omega Psi 5, the Freaky 5 Psi chapter of Langston University. Spring 2008. I'm happy I'm able to come home for homecoming. I appreciate all the gifts that Langston University has installed into me, that I'm able to put it into the children. Like I said,
I believe that both Sigmas and Alphas did good. Sigmas did good, but the Alphas did great, and the Alphas should have won. And of course, we got the show was stolen. So,
now, are you saying that because you're an Alpha?
I'm not saying that because I'm an Alpha. I'm saying it because I know how to step, and the Alphas put on a great show. Now, Sigmas did good. Alphas did great.
Now, if the Alphas had not done so great, would you be honest and say we suck?
I would give an honest assessment.
Were you one of the members of that 300-step show?
Good day, sir. Good day. Good day.
Oh my goodness, I'm an old head. Marcus Forte, 97. Beta Kappa, 95. Homecoming's beautiful thing, beautiful thing. And the statement, college days swiftly pass, it's amazing, they do.
Any advice?
Homecoming's going good, as you know. We had our annual C. Roger Wilson conference down here. We got the Kappa League guys down here, so we're doing it real good. And congratulations to the 14 guys that came out, the new members of the Alpha Pi chapter, Kappa Alpha Psi. Langston is the mother chapter of the Alpha Pi chapter, and also the mother chapter of Historical Black College in Langston, Oklahoma. So just be looking forward to us. We got a new president. We're looking for a prosperous year.
Good to see you, bro.
Hey, I went to Langston from fall of 92 to fall of 97, graduated, walked in spring 98, Beta Kappa, Alpha Phi Fraternity Incorporated, fall 93. October 15th, 1993, 7:17 p.m., don't miss it. Hey, we're just having a ball, wonderful to be here.
Were you hazed?
I'll tell you the fifth on that.
Okay, what you throwing up with your hand, man? What is that? Oh,
that's in the future.
Line him up,
right
slap him. Paddle, let's get it. Who are you?
I'm Brittany Ellis, and this is Harlem. This is Mark from his first child, and I've been telling him since I got here in 2004 that he didn't have her. And look at God. Look at God. Say thank you.
Homecoming week is going good. The Alpha Zeta chapter of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated won the step show, so go ladies, woot woot. But no, homecoming's going good. I'm enjoying it.
All right. What's up? What's up, man? You know, Homecoming 2011. Shout out to my boy Carnell. I miss him so much right now. I know. You know, it was just a short life. You know, my best friend. You know, everything we went through. You know, Mark Fleming came. Both of us helped both of us out. You know, but remember, your kids will be taken care of. They have a lot of uncles, a lot of aunts, and we're gonna be there for you and your family.
Man, who are you? What's up? What you do? What is it?
Go by DC Make a Beat. This is MD. And we go by Dreams Free. Imagination costs nothing, therefore we dream free. That's what it is, man. What's going on, Mark?
I've been checking out y'all stuff on your website, man. I've noticed you're doing stuff with Joe Cool. How's that going?
The Unexpected album getting ready to drop. Probably got 12 tracks on there. It's doing good right now.
I like the Animal Crackers though, but do you got the rights to that, or can you really use that?
Right now it's on mixtape purpose, so it's cool.
Okay. Now what's up with Blood, Sweat, and Tears? What's that have to do with anything?
Blood, Sweat, and Tears means to me what DST is. You know, I'm gonna give my all. Even if it's my tears, my sweat, and my blood, whatever Delta needs, I'm there to dedicate it to them.
I'm talking about, so you got your Nicki Minaj vibe.
No, this is Katie. I'm not trying to be like nobody but me.
We're right here at Langston University 2011, unforgettable, homecoming. That's how we do, man. Let me hear you say, homecoming!
What's up, man?
You know, Langston homecoming 2011, you know, dwelling together with good friends here.
What up, dog?
What up, though?
It's nothing like bringing it back.
Hey, it's homecoming. It's homecoming, man. The Lou is always going to be home to everybody. We're going to make this unforgettable as we do every year, man. Glad to see everybody in attendance. Have a good time. We in this boy. What's up with those?
Back in the game, you know, doing it big. All the way from LA, you know what I mean?
LA? Okay.
LA now, man, you know. NBA, Javed out there 2 months ago, recruited him.
Okay.
It's love right now, man. It's love.
It's good to see you, man. You feel good to be on the yard?
Absolutely, man. It's always a blessing to be back home, you know? It's always a blessing.
Teach these boys, man, a little something for you leave,
Will do, man. You know, I got to
ain't been the same since y'all left.
So kick it up, shimmy down. I got to show how to do it, you know what I'm saying? What happens now?
Y'all changed the game, man. Y'all came through. What's the name of y'all's line?
Yeah, DDK, doesn't down.
Yeah, DDK, man. Yeah.
We incorporated the shimmy at Langston University. Right.
Oh, y'all done been that? Y'all brought that? Let's get it. Let's get it. The original shimmy. Let's get it. Yeah. They said these are original.
Oh yeah, I'm Julian Jackson, senior. I love making films. Film is my thing. I might not be perfect, but I'm trying to be perfect. So you're gonna see me one day on the big screen. Just watch out for me, because here I come. Next, Steven Spielberg, Spike Lee, a whole different genre.
What really happens though, he tries to do films, but it never really works because he only does it for the cues.
Oh.
When he makes the cues good shows, but he don't do anybody else. So he plays favorite.
Home is where the heart is. All right.
How's it going? Langston University 2011 homecoming. I'm happy to be here to represent Langston University. See old friends, see new faces, to welcome the new members of Kappa Alpha Psi to the chapter of Alpha Pi, and just have a good time.
Hi everybody, my name is Leah Joelle Hendricks/McClish, newlywed, glad to be. I'm excited to be here at homecoming. It's been a great year so far, lots of things changing, lots of things happening. I'm just glad to be a part of the history, and it's glad to just see the many faces that come in and out. So hope to see every good person, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Hey, what's up? This is Kalila Moon. I am a 2004 Langston graduate, was the SGA president, vice president, and activities coordinator while I was here. Came in 1999. I'm currently now living in Brooklyn, New York. I work with in youth development, work with young people 17 and 24, helping them get jobs, go to college, get their GED. I don't know. I'm really excited to be back here. I haven't been here since, what, it's been 6 years, I think. It's been a very long time, and I love Langston. Hey! Sorry!
Where are you going tonight?
Tonight I'm going to the Sheraton. Matthew Hatchett is having an event there, I believe. I'm looking forward to hanging out, seeing friends. They always say that LU is the best place, and I say that I love going here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be back. I'm so happy to see Mark. Hi! Sorry, I don't know what to say.
Well, we're go out here and dominate these boys. We're gonna do it. Homecoming 2011. Let's go. Here we come. Here we come. Watch. Let's do it.
Oh, Brett! Oh, Brett, what time?
Perfect time to let out the street! Yeah. Let's go, let's pray. All right, get this burger. Everybody in, let's go, everybody, touch somebody.
Let's go, Lord. And Lord, just touch them with the finger of greatness, Lord. Let them play great in everything that they do, Lord. And every snap that they take, Lord, let them just pour their heart out on this field today. And Lord, let's let them just rely upon you, Lord. 1 quarter at a time. 1 quarter at a time. We kick their ass the first quarter, the second quarter, we come back, we make some adjustments, and we beat their ass for 2 more quarters. But you must beat their ass. You must come at them 100 miles an hour. Don't wait until they score. Don't wait till they slap you. You slap them first.
Right.
You slap them in the face first, and then you say like it, because I'm going to continue to slap you. If you're not down with that, then you don't believe in what we're doing. If you don't believe in what we're doing, we going to murk these people. We going to choke these people out. They done been here 2 years in a row for homecoming. They in it for the money. Hey, so guess what? When they want some money, we just give them a little ass whooping and go on with the little $5 we give them.
Oh yeah, coach.
call a touchdown. We'll call the play.
Here we go. Oh.
What's up, y'all? Another performance. About to rock the house, do our thing, you know?
Short game brought to you by number 24, Ricky Sharon. For the uninsured, starting from 9 o'clock a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Mary Health Center in Langston.